All right, guys, we're gonna go fly our micro drones inside of this house up here. It's still being built, so we're gonna go check it out. Back here on the right, we have Cameron, and in the middle there, we have Kyle. Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hey.
We were just flying some racing drones, micro style, and Kyle's went down with a bang. He's flying with the Leader 120. And what are you flying with?
XJD 145. I don't want to talk about it.
Well, we should say that's what they were flying with.
There's a reason we're flying these now.
So we're just gonna set up our chairs and pull out our little micro Eachine 013, 011s. And we're gonna fly upstairs and downstairs into the garage. And then down there's a crawl space. So we're gonna set up a fun little course and have some fun. I just installed the Eachine DVR Pro recorder, so I'm excited to see how it goes.
Very nice.
I'll share some of the footage with you.
To recover.
Ah,
Hey, that's mine.
hey, sweet. I'm gonna go up in the rafters. Ah.
I'm gonna try to catch up to you.
Oh no.
Ah! What in the world was that?
What happened?
You ran into me!
No, I didn't. Okay, yes I did. So Kyle crashed and he lost one of his props. Where are you at, Kyle?
I'm underneath the stairs.
Oh, he's underneath the stairs. I thought he was up here. So now we're on a manhunt to find the black propeller.
Up there, the drone fell down.
So you're saying it could be anywhere?
This is the beauty of drone flying.
This is... Hey, look what I found! Yeah!
No way. What?
Dun da da!
I didn't crash over there.
But
Sure. I crashed literally right here. So it
so here we are, looking for another prop. See, the problem with your props, guys, is that yours fall off. See mine? Mine never fall off.
And they're black.
Yeah, that doesn't help.
Why would you make black props? Why would you buy black props?
I don't know.
They were given to me. Oh, oh! Look here. Yeah? There it is. Right there. You see that? Nice.
No, point to it
Isn't
again.
isn't that a thing of beauty?
Whew, nice find.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, I should have.
On our third adventure, it's called a prop hunt. What color? White?
Yeah, it's white.
Alright,
Stay wide.
keep your eyes open for a white prop. It could be anywhere.
Hey, I found your drone.
Yep.
Is this where you found it?
Yeah, right where it landed is where right.
His. There it is.
Oh my gosh, really?
We walked past that how many times?
Yeah,
15?
because it looked brown.
Yeah, it did.
It's weird. For no real. Dang.
Wow. Good find, finally.
Thanks.
That was fun, guys.
That was fun.
It was.
Till next week.
Well, we had a good time up there. We lost probably about 20 different props. I think we found them all. And we got all covered in sawdust. It was a great time though. Flew inside, outside, you name it. It was fun.
Yeah, I think my favorite was when we flew up over the roof and Kyle almost got stuck up on the roof. That was fun. What was your favorite part, Cameron?
My favorite part was zooming in the windows, flying through the house super fast, coming out the other side. That was fun.
Yeah. Especially when you can't tell which side is the glass, which side is open.
That is a very true point. I'm out of juice.